Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Take W3 Wave. This is Vijay Kumar. Take W3 Wave, it is a platform where you can learn step by step all about the Salesforce application and development. In this tutorial, you will be learn our framework, LWC, Apex Class Trigger, Visual Force, and many more. So now let's get started. In this lesson, we will be learn about set timeout function and set interval function in JavaScript. So friends, the question is, what is set timeout function in JavaScript? The set timeout function is a function of the window object that is used for delay or to execute a particular function after a specific amount of time has passed. Next question is, what is set interval in JavaScript? The set interval function is a function of the window object that is used for repeatedly call a function with a fixed delay between each call. So if you want to execute a function of JavaScript between fixed amount of time and it will be repeatedly call in JavaScript function, so we will use a set interval. So that means it will repeatedly certain of amount of time it will be automatically call again and again. That time I will be use set interval. Set time out, it will call certain of amount of time. If you want to delay of the particular function, then we will be use set timeout function. So friends, both are the function we will be used step by step in the VS Code. So now let's go to the VS Code and we will be explain in detail how to use set timeout function and how to use set interval function in JavaScript. So let's get started. So friends, this is my VS Code. In the VS Code, I created two files, index.html and function JavaScript file. So in the index.html, I am using HTML tag and function JavaScript file. I will create a function. So here I am learning how to use set timeout and set interval in JavaScript. So this index.html file I am opening on the browser here. So here you can see only title are display. So title I using h2 tag and the title name is welcome to TechW3 Wave. So right now it is a display welcome to TechW3 Wave on browser. So in this lesson we will be learn about how to use set timeout. So in the function I will use set timeout function. So I will create a button. Whenever I click on the button, after 2 milliseconds will be hide this title using the set timeout function. So first I will learn set timeout function in JavaScript. So in the index.html file, I will create a button. First button. I am writing the name of the button. Timeout button. And on button I am passing on click event. On click event function. And inside the button I am passing on click event function. I am writing the name of the method timeout action. Now open the browser and refresh. Here you can see I created a button. So set timeout function, whenever I click on the button, after 2 milliseconds, this title will be hide. So here I pass a method timeout action copy, go to the function. Here I will be call a function, rather the name of the method. Inside the method, I am creating a variable. Let's create element equal to window dot set timeout bracket. Inside the bracket, I am using function. After curly bracket, use comma. Then pass 2000 number value. That means it will be execute after 2000 milliseconds. So here I am creating a variable element window dot set timeout inside the function and bracket comma after I am passing 2000. That means after 2000 milliseconds will be execute this function and the title of the h2 will be automatically hide. So now here I will be use ID. So ID name is welcome. So here I am using document.get element by ID so that we can hide the container of S2. So here I am using document dot get element by ID and passing the ID. ID is a welcome. Welcome dot style dot display equal to none. After 2 milliseconds, this title will be hide. Now I will be trying the timeout. Here I will use console.log. So in the console.log, I am passing variable name. Now save both of the file. Go to the browser and refresh. Open the inspect so that I can track timeout. So now I create a function. This function I call a method. This method timeout action I created in the function JavaScript here, and here mentioned 2000 milliseconds. So whenever click on this function, after 2000 milliseconds, this title will be automatically hide. So now let's refresh the page. Now click. So now I am clicking the button. Click. Wait. After 2000 milliseconds, you can see one it display. That means one set time out function call and the title automatically hide. If I changing the milliseconds, suppose now I am changing 2000 to 5000. That means it will be hide after 5 milliseconds. The title. Refresh. Now click. So now I am clicking once again. It will be wait between 5 milliseconds. You can see call and function execute after 5 milliseconds. It automatically hide. So that here I am setting the time out. So if I want to execute certain of the function delay between millisecond, here I am passing the millisecond number. If I am passing 10,000 and save the file and refresh, it will be wait 10 milliseconds, then will be hide. So now let me click here. It's wait 10 milliseconds. It is waiting. I already clicked. You can see after 10 milliseconds it hide. So friends, you can set timeout. But if you want to stop the set timeout function, after the function here, after the set timeout, this is a set timeout. Here is a close. After the set timeout function, you need to use clear timeout. So here, after set timeout function, here I am using clear timeout so that it will be stop the set timeout. Clear timeout. This is a function to stop the set timeout function. And here I am passing the variable name. Variable name is element and save. Here you can change 2 millisecond. So as per according to the set timeout function, after 2 millisecond the title will be hide. But after the set timeout function, I am using clear timeout. That means it will be a stop the set timeout function, not hide. Now save and refresh the window and click. You can see this time the title will not hide because in the JavaScript I mentioned clear timeout. That means it will be a stop the set timeout function delay. So it will not hide. So friends, here we learn how to use set timeout function in JavaScript. Now let me learn about the set interval. So for the set interval, here I am creating another button, interval button, set interval. And here will be pass interval action. Interval action. Now copy the function, go to the function JavaScript After this function, I am creating another one method for the interval action. Refresh, go to the browser. You can see I created set interval function. Set interval is a function. It will be repeated, calling again and again between certain time of amount. So I create a function interval action. Now let's create a variable element equal to window dot set interval. Inside the interval, I am using function. Function after the curly bracket, I am passing some numeric value. Suppose I am using 2000. That means 2 milliseconds. Then same copy and paste here. So document.get element by ID star of display none console.log element here passing variable name. Save, go to the browser and refresh. So here you can see this is a timeout, this is a set interval. So set interval, that means it will calling again and again between certain amount of time that you have fixed in the JavaScript. So now let's click the button. I clicked. You can see title has been hide. You can see this method automatically call again and again here. 6, 7, after 2 milliseconds it will be changed. That means it calling again and again in the background. So here you can see it is after 2 milliseconds it automatically changes. But if I want to delay for the calling again and again of the functionality, here I passing number 2000 to 5000. That means after 5 milliseconds it will be execute the function. Now let's refresh the page and click here. After 5 milliseconds, this title will be hide. You can see after 5 milliseconds it title hides, and here you can see after 5 milliseconds it will be change the number because here I am set the value 5000 millisecond. After 5 millisecond it will be called again and again, and here you can display the developer can console the timing of the functionality execution. If you want to clear the set timeout function, go to the functionality and after the function and use clear interval. Clear interval and here pass the variable name. This variable will store the Windows set interval functionality. So this variable I am passing inside the clear interval and save and refresh the window. Now this functionality not execute because here I am using clear interval. That means clear interval it will be stop the set interval of the execution of the functionality. So it will not execute again and again. It will stop the time out of functionality of JavaScript. So here I am using clear interval and passing the element that is a variable. Now refresh the window. Now I am clicking the button. So it will no hide. The title will no hide because it will be stop the calling again and again of functionality of set interval. Because here I am mentioning clear interval. So clear interval, it will be a stop the set interval delay functionality, and clear timeout, it will be a stop the window set timeout delay functionality. So it will not call the functionality again and again, and timeout functionality, if you mentioning the set timeout, it will not hide because it will stop the set timeout delay. So friends, in this lesson, we have learned how to use window.setTimeout function and how to use window.setInterval function in JavaScript. Try to do from your side in your personal, or if you getting any kind of issue, please write in comment box. To get more related video of the Salesforce, go to the YouTube, search TechW3 Web, then click here, go to the videos, and here you will be get so many live demo example of video Here I created real-time scenario based on working on the office. So here you will be get Salesforce Lightning Aura component, Visual Force page, Salesforce LWC, Lightning Flow Builder, and here so many video you will be get that is working in office in live project. If you subscribe my channel, your project working will be very easy. So friends, like, share and subscribe and support my channel. Thank you so much.